These my dollars make it hurt.
What is up, my good people? I just finished trading for the day and I was like, hey, let me just take a look at the NASDAQ. I know a lot of these big tech companies are submitting their earning reports today. Excuse me. I said, why not just go ahead and check in and see what happens? Because sometimes, even though on a day like this without much news, we can get some volatility. And that is exactly what is happening. We're getting some volatility as a lot of these, wow, just look at that. As a lot of these tech companies start to, start their earning reports. This is a very heavy season. We have Tesla doing some earnings. We have Google as well. So we can definitely see a lot of volatility coming in here. So I'm in situations like this, especially with all this volatility, I'm going to treat it the same way as I would treat if it was like a FOMC report, just trading like heavy news, because we can see that the volatility is coming in and it could almost make you feel like it's going to push us all the way down. But you got to think fast in these situations. So I'm just going to watch, but I'm looking to enter right here just based off what, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to see, because sometimes the market tells you it wants to do something, but right now it's looking like we're going into a buy program and it's looking like we're going to get there very quickly. So I'm just trailing my stops here. I'm thinking that we might go to some highs. So I'm going to just play something quick here because with all of this volatility, things can go really fast. They can start to move really quickly. We had just seen some external highs get taken and then also lows. So I'm just going to see whatever we can take here. All right, I'll take that. And the market will just continue to go to, you can really see price, it'll just go to the external ranges a lot faster than it did this whole afternoon session. So we'll just get there in a blink of an eye, and I want to make sure that I am reading price action correctly. We're watching here. Maybe if we take these highs, we might be able to see the lows be taken out again. Okay, we're starting to see something here. So maybe we can take some of these sells down to the opposite end of the range here. Sometimes the momentum kind of slows down. We had some very fast wicks. Again, we're on the 1 minute and you could see what price action just did. We took out lows, then we took out highs, then we took out lows. We got some nice gains, so we're happy about that. But I'm starting to see some slowing down here. Watch I get out of this and then it just continues to go to the opposite end. Okay, so we got in a little something there. We're pushing up. You know what, we're probably going to go back down here. I wouldn't be surprised if we just started to like push down right after me getting out of that. Okay. That's what we're looking at right now. So we just want to play things smart. We're up nicely. We got 700 here. We don't want to chip off too much of that, but we do want to risk a little bit of something here. So we'll try and see what happens, how to play this. This is going to be a little bit more of a dicey entry. If I do decide to take this, let's just look really quickly. It can be a little tricky because the market can be very fast, and we want to make sure that we're reading things correctly as it plays out and that we're taking smart trades. I'm okay risking some of what I just made on this move right here. So we'll see what happens. I might get wrecked because I'm putting my stop, you know, in a place that honestly, yeah, I'm just probably gonna take this off right here. We're kind of moving up very quickly, and in these types of environments, the market can really just shift one way or the other. And yeah, we took a little bit off there, but it's not too bad. The market can really just shift one way or another very quickly, so we're just going to continue to read this price action. I think the volatility is kind of slowing down here. Overall, the market wants to go down. You know, if we're going on a daily time frame basis, I believe that the daily bias is definitely to go lower. But yeah, we just want to see what's going to happen here. Kind of looks like we're just stalling out now. Yeah, and then we get a little bit of a push right down here. Let's see how far this is trying to go. I don't want to risk too much. We have good gains on the day. The market loves to give inducements sometimes, and that can really throw you off at times. So just wanting to be careful here before taking anything. We might not take anything after this, to be honest, with the way everything is moving. Let's draw out on our fibs here. If we were potentially looking for an entry, we could see that we have past 50%. Yeah, maybe I should have stayed in that short trade there. We wouldn't have taken out my initial stop limit, my initial buy stop. But it's all good. It is what it is. Don't want to overtrade here either. Yeah, we might just end it off like this today. Don't want to build bad habits. It was some nice moves that we were able to catch, so we'll probably stop right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.